Do we have a name?
Let's call it like something battle bots or battle sites, website battle.
Okay, welcome. The game show is to take two projects in crypto, NFT, or AI and mash them together and to see who is stronger.
Make them fight.
Yeah, it's a kind of a cage fight for technology enterprises. For me, it's exciting because I get to see most creative and talented people on the planet, most creative entrepreneurs, developers, designers, communicators came together to build this very complex technological stuff. Today we are battling those guys, Boared, Ape, Yacht Club, and
Pudgy Penguins.
Pudgy Penguins.
Yeah.
Both NFT projects. So this is an elimination tournament. And in the end, we will get the ultimate winner out of the 8. We are evaluating idea,
Okay.
the website, and the people, community. First one, idea. Boared, Ape, Yacht Club, and the Pudgy Penguin.
I browsed their website and I even entered their Discord. I have no idea what it is about.
Okay.
Probably the idea is scarcity because they are quite limited collection. They have 8,888 NFTs. And owning those gives you some access to events, but I don't understand what events. I haven't found anything about the events.
Okay. Scarcity. Scarcity we like. Scarcity is good.
So, ladies and gentlemen, meet Pudgy Penguins. Pudgy Penguins is an NFT collection of 8,888 NFTs. Each holder receives exclusive access to experiences, events, IP licensing opportunities, and more. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Penguins.
Yay! All right. What's so exciting about those 8888888 NFTs? This is the old project. Oldest shit. This is super innovative for that.
3 years ago.
It's 2021. They say they are Web3 and we believe them, they're on chain. They say it's innovative to use Web3 technology, giving the IP rights to the people. That means if you buy this penguin, you get the right to use it, this picture. You can get this thing from Alibaba, paste this thing here, and sell it. IP rights is you can do that. This was the innovation. Those guys, Boared, Ape, Yacht Club, they are comparatively from the same age. You buy this picture, you have the rights to use this picture on your Blender or whatever commercially you want to have it. So you buy into the project, you get into the community. For Boared, Ape, Yacht Club, the community has been this like center point, focal point, the lore of those guys. They say that the crypto NFT superstar monkeys were so rich and so well accomplished, ideal of a success. So successful that they get bored from this like crypto gains, bored from people just being accomplished and they don't have anything more to wish in this world. And they retreated into the swamp bar somewhere and they do stuff in their community. What's the next idea? They say, come entrepreneurs, enjoy the community, use the brand, build more stuff, collaborate, build even more stuff. And I'm like, awesome. This is the idea behind it. Okay, let's jump into the stuff that we know significantly better than the ideology of the crypto projects. We are going to have a look into their websites and score those.
Perfect.
You as a pretty Webflow developer,
Thanks.
what's your pitch for the website of Pudgy Penguins?
Look at this nice igloo animation when the page is loading. And when it finished loading, oh, it's so aesthetic.
Hoodoo.
The huggle, yeah. Have you seen the animation that I built with? It was very smooth and nice. Also this running text and hover interactions. Oh my God. It makes me really pleased aesthetically. Look at everything. Like, hover interactions.
You hovered, it did not jump.
And when we scroll, look, hop, hop.
All right.
Yeah, everything looks nice. And everything scrolls into view with lots of dynamic. Even here, we got the nice interaction of cards changing and running text again. I think this website is quite consistent with its interactions and animations. What I know for sure is that it is built with Webflow.
How do you know?
Well, I used built with.
This is the reason that I'm interested in that. They're on Webflow. They're not coded by the developers plain in tears. The developers who worked on it got stuff faster.
And everything we can see here, we can build it with Webflow.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want a website like this, contact me.
What I wanted to say, I am a sucker for good marketing. And those guys jumping and playing and stuff, I know them. I've seen them in Giphy. And I love it. Because it's not just the picture, but it's a dancing freaking penguin. I like that. So good marketing. Anything else you want to show for the website?
I think I'm honestly underwhelmed by their website. It's very nice and pretty and really cool interactions, but I didn't get to know the project well through their website. So I didn't see the roadmap, the vision, like anything. I need something. I want more information. I didn't get it.
You wanted to know more, but
Yeah.
the project is live. They don't need you to fall in for their role. It's not trendy anymore.
Yeah.
But yeah, I understand an underwhelmed experience here. When we go to Yuga Labs,
We got
project.
custom cursor. I like that.
Oh, a ape feast into the website. Oh,
Wow. Got 2 ways to enter, I can see. Already an ape, enter this way. Come on in.
okay. And we see the bar. This is more exciting on other screens, actually.
What do you mean? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it is.
So obviously I'm coming through mobile and I see the bar. And it's an the about. I'm like, yeah, I dig it. We see the bar. It's the about place. I'm like, very logical. When I come somewhere, I want the bartender to tell me what is this place, and if I get the drink there, like, all right. And it's visually pleasing. You scroll there, you explore
They got nice parallax effect going on.
collections, community, member place, the club.
Wow, that's
And
awesome.
obviously, it does not let me into the club. That is where the scarcity comes to play. I don't have the NFT. I'm not invited into the club. They have more than one collection. They have stuff. Oh, I can scroll the timeline of their project. We have Cancel. Is that Eminem?
And Snoop.
Eminem and Snoop. What do? They bring their apes to the VMAs. Whatever it is, that's so fucking cool.
Yeah.
Well, I enjoy this presentation a lot. I even like that the style of visuals is different. I'm like, oh, you have more than one style. That means that more than one designer worked on it. So this style is quite different from this style.
Yeah, true.
I'm not saying one is better than the other, but I'm like, multiple artists probably worked on it. I enjoy. This thing is completely different. So it's like 3D stuff. And this, not 3D stuff.
Yeah, it's more like
This
anime
is
2D.
like anime drawing. This is 3D object sculpting thing.
Yeah.
And this is the basic main thing. Cool. Yeah, and this is what the community came up with. So the person owns this picture, the IP rights, they made this brand. This website is explorable, all right? It redirected me somewhere. This is the website for the projects built by community. Let's go back to the website. And it's enjoyable. I fell into this story from the homepage. This project, from the idea standpoint, was groundbreaking. They said that they are doing something real in the time where NFT projects, more often than not, were a joke. And they said, we are building real brand, real community, and they delivered just that. There was a moment where people were underwhelmed. They're like, oh, this project is so hype, the art is so good, everyone loves it, and they sell a lot, and awesome, right? And they say, okay, now we have a party, and only like 40 people came to the party.
Only those who
And
owned
people on
NFTs, right?
people on the internet were like underwhelmed, like so much hype on the internet, and then like 40 people came to the event, and the project is like, fuck yeah, 40 people came together in this event, and they meet and they had nice time, delivered 100% of what they wanted.
Yeah.
And it was just, and it happened. And they're like, yeah, this is what we built. The people had nice time.
Sounds awesome.
I admired this story. So yeah, French apes, for example, they came together. Lots of people who each have their own ape had nice time, board games, a beer. I don't know what French people drink.
Wine, water, everything.
No, I'm like, are there more wine drinkers or beer drinkers in France? Because it may as well be that, yeah, the wine is quite good in France, but would it be super popular with technically strong people who are into NFT? Those hipster guys might be all drinking beer because like we want to suffer. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Is there something even more AP I can ape to on their website? Collections? Good. So after the initial classic collection, they had some other stuff that I have no idea about. When you get the Bored Ape, you get the ticket to enter the community, you get buy into the meeting other people and boasting on the internet and having your vodka brand. If my calculations are correct, the second round is absolutely with Boared Ape Yacht Club.
Yeah, very cool
100%.
website. It's such an awesome website.
Let's do community real fast.
So, for the Pudgy Penguins, well, they have active Discord.
Nice.
Even when we were shooting this podcast, people were like sending messages to the chat. And that's all I can say about their community. Oh, they also have 1.3 million followers on Instagram. If it makes
What's the Twitter?
the Twitter.
Yeah.
Let's check Twitter.
Yeah.
I haven't checked Twitter in years.
So, Boared Ape Yacht Club. I joined Discord and somebody was typing in main chat. I was like, yeah, cool. The Discord was not too complex, just a handful of channels. I like how you roll. The biggest skill that I picked up in the last year is when I want to add something, I'm saying to myself that I am stupid and I need to remove something. And they are super good with just that. They're like, no, we will not do everything. Here's a handful of meaningful channels that you got to explore. That's it. And I'm like, yeah. And it was super active. They have a 1 million on X, formerly known as Twitter, and around 200 on Discord. All active, fucking awesome. What's about those?
Well, they have around 150k followers on X. They've got 1.3 million followers on Instagram.
Sure.
And they have active Discord.
I don't know. They got me on the Instagram. See those nice, cute stories like that?
They're cute, yeah.
All right, I will score PP higher than Boared Ape Yacht Club just because of it.
Really?
And they have a member only stuff where I am not allowed, okay?
That's where they make you sad.
All right, I put my numbers, you tell me yours.
I actually quite like this inclusivity that you don't get the access. So I'd rank them higher than those guys.
All right, while Anastasia is doing the final calculations to get the winner of this cage fight of two NFT technology projects that took shitload of
Shit.
I will tell you about the sponsor of today's video. The sponsor of today's video is Elish Agency, us building websites for clients, and Anastasia developing website templates that we sell on Webflow marketplace. The best way how you can enjoy a fast-loading SEO out-of-the-box optimized website would be to buy one of our templates. The most value that you can get from it is by launching fast. You pick the template, now you need to input your content, the words and images. Both you can create with AI. Thank you for sponsoring. Thank me and thank your work for sponsoring us. We will be back with the results in a second.
I'm back with the results in a second. And the winner is... the winner... It's the dog meme. How do you like the winners?
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
Do you mean the Ramsey?
No. No, the Ramsey. And the winner is... Boared Apes Yacht Club.
Those guys, Boared Apes Yacht Club, is the winner with a lead of less than 2 points.
Exactly 1 point.
They are undisputed winner of this round and they go to the next round. The
Yay!
semifinals, if we have 8. Yeah, the bike go into semifinals straight away. Great job, mate.
Great job,
Those
Apes.
guys.
Yay.
Yay. Thank you.
Thank
This
you.
is a awesomest, best performance pilot for a game show on YouTube. See ya.
See ya.